Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily back up your computer data and easily back up a laptop. So first what we're going to do is to search for the File Explorer with the search icon right here, right beside the Windows or Start icon, like that. Or you can also click on it if you find it in your desktop or at the taskbar below. And once you have opened it, we have to go to this PC and scroll down at the left part of this tab or window. And make sure you have an external drive or a USB flash drive connected to your computer or laptop, and decide where to save your data. From here, you click on the drive that you want to back up. For example, I want to back up my C drive. And once you have opened it, open the users folder. Now open the folder or the user folder that you always use. So I'm going to open this up. And these are all the folders and the files within that user. Now what we're going to do is you can go back and copy this whole folder and paste it into your external drive or flash drive. If not, you can open the user folder and select some folders that are important to you and you want to back up. For example, these two right here, you can just copy these two and paste it into your flash drive or external drive. And that is how you can basically back up your computer data and easily back up your laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.